What's up, YouTube? Today I am going to show you how to scan a Snapcode if you've screenshotted it. So all you gotta do is go here to Snapchat, and you gotta basically that's me right there. And so you see here you have your Snapcode here. All you gotta do is screenshot it. I've already screenshotted mine, so for Apple would be like the power button and the home button, you would hold those at the same time, and then for Android it would be power and the volume down button. Right now I'm using a Google Pixel, which is actually a pretty good phone, especially the camera quality. It's pretty good. I might review it one day, but anyways, back to my video. So you gotta go over to, I forgot what you do here, sorry. So the Snapcode is right there, and I'm getting used to Snapchat, I'm new to it. So you're gonna go add friends and Snapcode, and then so you can see here, you'll find my Snapcode right there. That's my Snapchat right there. And that is all for today, YouTube, and that's actually my first tutorial video. So if you like this video, please, hit that like button and subscribe for me, please. I'll be checking you out on the flip side, everyone.